the only thing going in my mind was that pain is temporary, pride is forever. So just push.
जब हम रास्ते में आ रहे थे तो वहाँ पे हमारे आगे से, अगर मैं अकेली आती तो हमारे आगे से लेपर्ड भी गुजरा।
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आई वो एल्टीट्यूड की थी। हमने 12,000 फीट से स्टार्ट किया था।
Take left, 184, take left, good going guys, good going, take left.
In the shadow of the mighty Himalayas, where the earth kisses the sky and every trail tells a story, a bold adventure was born, the Surya Dev Bhumi Challenge. This groundbreaking event led by the Indian Army wove together the thrill of sport, the call of the wild, and a vision for a brighter future.
Surya Devbhumi Challenge was conceptualized because we realized that this is a very old trail. It's traditional. It's got a lot of religious significance. It's got a lot of business significance of the past. And we want to revive this legacy. And to revive this legacy, what we have done is we've taken the route which was the old Char Dham route. And we have organized a challenge which is more like a triathlon because it starts with a bike expedition, mountain biking basically over 105 kilometers. And thereafter we go over 2 days where the first day the run is for about 37 kilometers and it starts from about 5,000 feet and goes up to about 11,000 feet, the highest point. And that's for the first day. The second day it will be about 43 kilometers, which will be a descent mainly. And we'll come down from Atwari and get down to Sonprayag. So that's it. It's spread about, so if you say 105 plus about 70 kilometers, it's about 90 kilometers is what we are going to have this challenge. It is a challenge which has been organized for the first time. And it's a challenge which has been organized in absolute consonance with the Uttarakhand government, with the locals here, and with the administration. And of course, the Indian Army has taken the lead in this. You are aware that the Indian Army is located all along the border area over here, and we are committed to the the reverse migration towards adventure tourism, and therefore we want to be a part of this complete phenomena of getting people back from the plains to the mountains to their villages which they had vacated in the past.
We are expecting a super challenging day, especially it's the first day, so everybody is super excited. But then we have to keep our wits together since it is a 3-day endurance run. All the days are very important, so my thing is that what I am focusing on, that I will be, my endeavor will be that today also I put in and save my energy for the next 2 days also and enjoy the beauty as well.
Challenge for my day is to complete the race in minimal time, giving my best, and have unity and discipline with my friends.
I'm here to set my benchmark or surpass my limits. That's why that whenever I go home and I see myself that I did such an event and make such a memories with the good people.
I have never explored Uttarakhand and heights. I have fear of heights also, so I just want to overcome that height fear and explore Uttarakhand.
देखो, एक मोटिवेशन इंडियन आर्मी को देख के मुझे ऑलरेडी पहले से ही मोटिवेशन है, तो मेरा यही है कि हम करेंगे और बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे लग रहा है, बहुत मोटिवेट हूँ मैं सर।
यहाँ पर आकर और ज़्यादा एनर्जी आ गई है, एनर्जी बूस्ट हो गई है, काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है अब। थोड़ा डर है, लेकिन ये है कि कंप्लीट करेंगे और सेफ्टी बहुत मायने रखती है, तो सेफ्टी के साथ रहेंगे।
मेरे लिए ये खुद से लड़ाई है और मैं इस पूरी जर्नी को एंजॉय करते हुए जाऊंगा और सबसे पहले अपनी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखूंगा। और जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि ये देवभूमि के जो चार धाम यात्रा का पुराना मार्ग है उसको पूरा एक्सप्लोर करते हुए
As the cyclists reach Batwari, the landscape softens into rolling hills and terraced fields. The town finally comes into view.
Take left, 184, take left.
Day one set the stage, proving that these mountains are not just a challenge, but a canvas for courage.
ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस था रोड साइकिलिंग में। ये मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अटैम्प्ट कर रखा है। अभी इससे पहले मैंने कुछ टाइम ही एमटीबी ज्वाइन कर रखी है, तो अभी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। निलोंग से हमने स्टार्टिंग किया, तो वहाँ से थोड़ा रोड थोड़ी ख़राब थी, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा दिक्कत आई। डाउन हिल था पूरा वहाँ पे। फिर उसके बाद गंगोत्री जाते टाइम थोड़ा हिल था। तो
The second day of the Surya Dev Bhumi Challenge dawns with a new test, trail running. The route is a 37-kilometer journey from Bhatwari to Buddha Kedar, passing through the towering heights of Belakkhal and Chalatop. The runners push on, fueled by the mountain's energy and the camaraderie of the pack. Chalatop is the crown of the day, a high altitude plateau where the air is thin and the world feels infinite. It's a moment of awe, a reminder that they're not just running, they're tracing in the footsteps of pilgrims and explorers who've crossed these mountains for centuries. The descent to Buddha Kedar is gentler, through meadows dotted with wildflower and grazing sheep. their eyes fixed on the horizon. Triyujinarayan is a highlight, a village steeped in legend as the site of Lord Shiva and Parvati's wedding. The final stretch to Sonprayag is a sprint through cedar groves. The finish line looms and the runners dig deep, crossing it to the roar of thundering applause. The Surya Dev Bhumi Challenge is a call to the world. Come to Uttarakhand, ride its trails, run its paths, and meet its peak. Feel the pulse of the Himalayas, where every step is a story, every peak a dream.
Surya Dev Bhumi Challenge has been much more than an endurance run. It's been a journey of unity, heritage, and commitment. It was an inspiration watching our army, personnel, civil administration, and the youth of Devbhoomi come together to revive these sacred trails, and this event reflects the strength of collaboration and deep-rooted spirit of our land. This challenge has shown that it's possible when determination meets challenge. Our brave soldiers and spirited youth of Uttarakhand can run only not just for endurance but for legacy too.
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे रूट का एक्सपीरियंस है, बट ये चैलेंजिंग था, बट हमने क्या हिम्मत रखी और इसको कंप्लीट करने का क्या फर्स्ट दिन तो हमें टफ लगा क्योंकि पहाड़ी लोग हमने साइकिलिंग थोड़ा कम करी थे, बट जैसे रूट रनिंग हमने करी थी, बट हमने इसको कवर करते करते हमारी 5th पोजीशन आ गई। हमें मतलब अच्छा लगा इस कंप्लीट करने में।
स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अभी तक की जर्नी बहुत बेस्ट है वैसे तो, बट थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ सर। डे 1 को तो थोड़ा लगा, मुझे अच्छा लगा, डे 1 को इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, लेकिन डे 2 को बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लगा सर। और आज का जो दिन था, आज का इतना डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं था, बट जब हम ऊपर आगे टॉप में पहुंच गए, टॉप से जब डिसेंड हुए तो पूरा स्नो वगैरह था, उस वजह से बहुत दिक्कतें आई। लेकिन मेरे साथ 2 आर्मी के जवान थे जो कि पार्टिसिपेंट ही थे हमारे साथ, तो उन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी सर। तो वो लेके मुझे यहाँ तक फिनिश तक लेके आए, उन्होंने मुझे छोड़ा नहीं। और जब हम रास्ते में आ रहे थे तो वहाँ पे हमारे आगे से, अगर मैं अकेली आती तो हमारे आगे से लेपर्ड भी गुजरा, तो हाँ लेपर्ड गुजरा, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि सेफली आप जाओ। तो फिर सर ने मुझे बोला कि इनको मैम को छोड़ना मत करके, तो फिर वो डिसेंड किया। बट यहाँ के पूरी एनर्जी वापस आ गई है और बहुत अच्छा सर मुझे लगा।
Soldiers and civilians have shown us what's possible when we dare to chase the wild. And now it's your turn.